I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to. We are opening two buy trades here as soon as I noticed the candle showing upward moment. I open the trades because when the closing candle shows an upward impulse, it usually means the next candle should also move up. Let's break this setup down. Opening in the direction of the trend is always more reliable than trading against it. The price is moving inside the Keltner channel, and right now we can see a bounce from the lower band. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now. We also observed that both stochastic indicators are coming out of the oversold zone, which gives a strong confirmation to buy. That's why we opened two upward trades here. In the final seconds, both positions close in profit. The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change. But one candle never defines direction. Structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, continuation. That's where clarity begins. Here we are opening a buy trade. In this case, we are trading against the main trend. So let's observe how the movement develops. Right now a new local low is forming, and after that I expect the price movement to turn upward. For clarity, here we can mark the support area and the newly formed local low, from which we will expect the upward reversal. Both stochastic indicators are now in the oversold zone, so we will wait for a breakout upward. It wasn't the best entry level. Right after we opened, the previous candle pushed down. But even with the imperfect entry, the trade still closes successfully in profit. Today, price hit the top of the range for the third time. Each rejection got faster and sharper. That's not random, that's build up for breakout. I entered right as weakness confirmed. The move dropped cleanly out of the range. Not trading is also part of direction. It means your system respects boundaries. When nothing fits your plan, you protect your edge. Silence is part of strategy, and silence is create longevity. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.